Yeah, we are back, and no, this is not a thunderstorm. It's a fire alarm panel going off in the meter room right here. Okay. And what happened was last night we lost electricity, and that caused the fire alarm to go off. So this is what's happening, and the fire department came out. They did not know what the password was, so they had to silence the fire alarm here. So yeah, it's very annoying. If I'm in my room, I won't notice it, but as with any security systems in a commercial or residential place, like an apartment, that has to be fixed. Anyway, I'm gonna cut. This is like not my interest in taping, but it's very annoying. Cut.